LinkedIn tutorial for beginners in 2024. Earn money with LinkedIn marketing. Welcome to our LinkedIn tutorial for beginners in 2024. In this video, we'll guide you through the basics of LinkedIn and show you how to earn money with LinkedIn marketing. LinkedIn homepage. LinkedIn is a powerful platform for professionals to connect, network, and grow their careers. If you're new to LinkedIn, the first step is to create a compelling profile. Start by uploading a professional profile picture and adding a headline that highlights your expertise. Profile setup. Your headline should be clear and concise, showcasing what you do and what value you bring. For example, marketing specialist helping brands grow with digital marketing. Next, fill out your About section. This is your elevator pitch. Briefly explain your professional background, skills, and what you're passionate about. Make sure to use keywords relevant to your industry to make your profile searchable. Editing About section. Now, let's talk about building your network. Connect with colleagues, classmates, and industry leaders. Personalize your connection requests to increase your chances of being accepted. Mention where you met or why you want to connect. Sending connection requests. Once your profile is set up and you've started building your network, it's time to engage. Share valuable content related to your industry. This can be articles, insights, or even your own blog posts. Regular engagement will help you stay top of mind with your connections. Sharing a post. LinkedIn also offers powerful tools for marketing and earning money. One way to monetize is through LinkedIn's Pro Finder. This feature connects freelancers with clients looking for specific services. Ensure your profile highlights your skills and experience to attract potential clients. Pro Finder feature. Another method is LinkedIn ads. You can create targeted ad campaigns to reach a specific audience. Whether you're promoting a service, a product, or your own personal brand, LinkedIn ads can help you reach professionals in your niche. LinkedIn Ads Manager. LinkedIn groups are also valuable. Join groups related to your industry to network with like-minded professionals. Participate in discussions, share your expertise, and build relationships that can lead to opportunities. LinkedIn groups. Finally, make use of LinkedIn Analytics. This tool provides insights into who's viewing your profile, which posts are performing well, and more. Use this data to refine your strategy and improve your engagement. LinkedIn Analytics. To summarize, start by optimizing your profile, build and engage with your network, and leverage LinkedIn's marketing tools to earn money. With consistent effort, LinkedIn can be a powerful platform for professional growth and income generation.